Garvin Industries all-steel liquid-tight connectors come in 1/2" to 6" sizes and are used when you need a watertight seal in outdoor and industrial applications where liquid-tight conduit is being used. To install these products, you simply remove the compression nut, remove the inner sealing ring, as well as the steel ferrule. You now have the body of the connector. Okay. Take your liquid type conduit, place the gland on the body of the liquid type conduit and set it back. Then put on your sealing ring. At this point, you need to thread in the ferrule to the inside of the conduit. Now, the end portion will dead end back into the threaded portion. You then slide up the sealing ring and install the compression gland. Make sure you tighten with channel lock pliers. Now that your liquid tight conduit is secured in place, simply remove the lock nut from the threaded end that goes into the box knockout. Ensure that the rubber gasket stays in place on the top edge, and then reinstall the lock nut inside the box. Now you have a watertight seal at the box edge and where the conduit hits the connector. For these and other great products, be sure to visit us online at garvinindustries.com.